Omulamuzi wa Kooti enkuru omuli Masaka Victoria Nakintu Katamba yatushoborera ngu omurundo ogu Emishango erukusinga obwingi ebireri ey'emihondano y'ebyamataka kandi erukukira ahari egi etwire omu kooti okuruga omu mwaka gw'2015.
Most of the cases on the cause list are land matters, 98% of them. There are few administration matters, and even those administration matters, you will find that they're still family and land-related matters. Each case represents an issue, a business, a family, a conflict that has not been resolved.
Arikwebembera abaplida mu kyange kya Masaka Alexander Rure yashoborera kote jingu abamwe abasingisibwe Emishango bakasharamu okujuririra bakigenderire okwongezayo oburinganiza kandi obwo Emishango erukuhurikirizibwa abaramuzi b'idare ly'okubanza ekabeire yashwijumirwe okumaraho omwijuzo.
Zensonga z'okubeera ndi apiiru zirwawo abantu bawoze emisango myaka 8, 6, 7 ne gusalibwa mu Court of Appeal. Olinga awangudde gwe bawangudde n'ajulira si lwakuba nti alina okujulira ne n'ajulira olw'ensonga nti ayagala okunafuya munne okufrustrating olw'ensonga amanyi nti bwe kugenda mu Court of Appeal gubanga gwe baziise.
Omuhababi wa gavumenti y'e Masaka yashaba abaine Emishango okukozesa enkora ey'okushitama bakagigonjoora kitaka kikakyendeza akushiisha sente hamwe n'obwire obw'ekitongole ekiramuzi.
People here have not embraced mediation in criminal matters. So there are some cases which would not require to go into the system. But because of the egos and what, they end up all coming to us, and we have to take what? A decision, and that's how the backlog comes in.
Omukugamba kwe ayajwekera ishabaramuzi Irene Muryagonja yashoborera kuko terkwija kutandika kukozesa enkore ya teknolojia okumaraho ekyokubura kwaza fayiro ez'Emishango.
Take one is the use of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms to resolve cases. It was referred to as ADR, but the Chief Justice likes to call it the original dispute resolution mechanism.
Ogu yagaruka yaraganisa ngu n'enshonga ey'ekika ky'Emishango eshemerire kuba nehozesebwa abaramuzi ab'idara ly'okubanza okuba rukwija kugireebamo.
Now when you have courts with no prosecutors and have grade 1 courts which were thought to be necessary to increase or improve the dispensation of justice, and the magistrates are simply sitting, they are being paid but not hearing cases, it is of concern.
Gasha kwa Bashir Kalema habwa Tayari West.